Today we're going to be looking at this heavy-duty plant stand. It has 4 really nice rolling casters on the bottom, and they also lock into place. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, put it together for you, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have the 4 orange pieces that make up the base. You're going to have a magnetic screwdriver, the screws, the really nice casters, the posts to put this together, the instructions, and you're going to have a tape measure, which is really nice. The first step is to go ahead and install all 4 of the casters. I very quickly decided that a drill would be easier. If you're going to use a drill, just be mindful that it is plastic you're drilling into, so don't over tighten it. The locks on the casters are surprisingly strong, and not only do they lock the wheels, but they also lock the rotation. Once you have the casters installed, you can go ahead and start installing these bars. I did this in a circular pattern, however, I do not recommend doing it that way. You should put the 2 and 2 together first, and then put the 2 bars in the center to connect the 2 side pieces. So let's say you have a plant in a pot like this, and you don't want to carry it all the way across the yard. Now we have this plant stand, and you can put the plant right on the plant stand and push it along. So much easier than carrying it. I wish it had a handle though. If at any time you would like to adjust this for a bigger pot, all you have to do is lift these up and pull these out to extend its base size. If you need to move a bucket full of water to a garden, for example, it also would work great for that.